Are you about to have a C-section and you're wondering what the heck your belly's gonna look like immediately after surgery? Well, my name's Sydney. I'm a labor and delivery nurse, and let's talk about exactly what your tummy will look like after you have a C-section. So I want to start off by saying that this will vary from provider to provider and from patient to patient just based on your clinical picture. But most of the time, my patients receive a dressing that looks a little bit like this, and I will take it out of the package so you can see it. But this is not how big your C-section incision is. The bandage is a lot bigger. A C-section incision is usually around this big, but sometimes it can be a little bit bigger depending on the person and exactly what happened. Most people use sutures, which is a continuous stitch that self-dissolves, so you actually don't need to come and get your stitches taken out after you've had a C-section. But sometimes you will have staples. This again just depends on provider to provider. And you will also have something called steri strips, which look like this. And they're just tiny little bandages that help to hold the C-section incision together. When you come out of surgery, you're still gonna look about 6 months pregnant, and you're probably gonna be numb from about your nipple line to all the way down to your toes. So you're not gonna feel much pain, which is great. The big bandage will come off about 24 hours after surgery, and this will be the doctor that takes it off after examining the wound underneath. And then they'll take a good look at it, make sure everything looks good, there's no signs of infection, and everything's healing properly. And then they're going to send you home with these steri strips. And these steri strips will either come off on their own, or if they don't come off on their own within 7 days, then you are to peel them off. Again, make sure you follow your doctor's orders, but this is the usual thing that I send home with my patients on exactly what to do. Do not keep these steri strips on for longer than 7 days because they can harvest a lot of bacteria, and it's important to take them off.